Hello Coffeeholics, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you 4 classic hot espresso drinks using a small cup, 6 ounces. So I'm going to show you hot Americano, hot latte, cappuccino, and mocha. For this video clip, I'm going to make use of my medium roast coffee beans. We need milk, we're not going to add sugar. And for my mocha, I'm going to use my homemade chocolate sauce and some cocoa powder to sprinkle on top of my cappuccino. For 6 ounces cups, I normally use about 16 grams of coffee beans. It shouldn't be too strong. I'd like it to be smooth and mild. If you'd like it to be stronger, you can make it up to 18 grams. And then I'm going to use my double basket, double spout portafilters to pull 2 single shots of espresso in one go. 16 grams of coffee beans. Two single shots of espresso pulled in 24 seconds, perfect shot. And now to steam my milk. I'm going to start with latte and cappuccino. Two drinks down, now we're going to make our hot Americano and our hot mocha. Hot water for my Americano. Espresso shots pulled in 22 seconds, still perfect shots. This is my beautiful Americano here. And now for my final drink, which is mocha. 1 tablespoon of my chocolate syrup. This should be milder. I love the taste of this one. The smaller the cup for me, the better. Wow, that's very smooth. What we are aiming for every time you pull your espresso shots, for a single shot usually is about 20 to 29 seconds. So the first shot I made it in 24 seconds, very, very smooth, full body. And for the second one I did it for 22 seconds. So both perfect shots. Wow, my mocha is looking really good. And it tastes absolutely delicious, absolutely perfect. My cappuccino. Wow, once again perfect. And my Americano, you see that very smooth crema on top. So you first put the water and then you pull your espresso shot over to give you that beautiful look. But you must serve it immediately so you still get that crema on top. And it is also perfectly smooth. In summary, for 6 ounces cups, I use 16 grams of coffee using my double basket, double spout portafilter, pulled 2 single shots of espresso in one go, aiming for 21 to 29 seconds per extraction. And you got your 4 delicious drinks here. Very easy to make, very fast if you're going to do it 2 drinks in one time. Up next, I am going to show you a bigger size. We're going to make them in 12 ounces cup or equivalent to Starbucks' tool. Stay tuned for that video tutorial. In the meantime, happy holidays, stay safe, stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Ciao for now.